Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can reveal text on hovering over an image on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. Now, to actually implement everything, first what we're going to need is we're going to need an image, and we're going to need some text. Now, I'll just delete this newsletter block, and I'll add a new image block. I'll just position it over here in the middle, and we're gonna add a new image, which I'll select from the library. And for example, let's use this image right over here. Now, once we've selected our image, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over into the design menu, and we're gonna select the fill option over here so that it fills the entire border of the picture, so that if we resize it, it's just going to fill everything. It's not going to leave any empty space. But now that we have our picture, that is basically it. Now, once we've added that, we're going to need to add a text block, and we're going to put it right over the picture right over here, and we're going to stretch it to the entire size of the picture. We're going to write some text. For example, I don't know, test text, and I'll make the color go white just so that we can see it. And it should show everything. I'm not sure why it's not showing it. Let me just turn it white like that. There we go. And you can also just align it however you want. I'll align it to the middle. And if I go here, I can align it, I'm pretty sure, to the middle as well. Or rather, I won't be doing that. Those are tabs. I'll add it to the middle right over here. And there we go. Now that we've done that, we need to also go over and click on edit. And we're going to need to set up a background for this. You can scale text to the image if you want to. I'll be doing that. And now we can go over into this, and I'll select heading 3 as an example. And let me just move the text over here, because what we're going to do is we're going to style the background, make sure the background is there, and we're going to make it a solid color. For example, I'll make it this color, and you can select a stroke if you want to. I won't. That's basically just the border. But now that we have that, now we have our text, and your text needs to be above the image itself. Now we've set everything up. We're going to go ahead and save and exit the editor. Then we're going to go over into the pages menu, scroll all the way down, click on website tools, go to custom CSS, and then just at the bottom of everything, I'll go ahead and add this code right over here. So it is from here. As you can see, it'll set up a hover transparency. But as you can see, because I don't have the block ID of this piece of text, I won't be able to edit here. You need to find the ID for it over here to replace the block 12345 ID with the ID of the actual text block, which I don't know how to do. Also, you can also change the block ID for the image itself. So yeah, that is basically it. I'm pretty sure you need to actually add the ID for the text in both of these, but once you add it, then you'll be able to hover over it and test the animation. Now, since I can't find the block, I can't really show you guys, but that is pretty much it. This code will work if you can find the block ID. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.